What is this? This is 100. Why 100? Because this is the block of 100 and this is how many? How many block is there? Only one block, right? So that means we have only one block of 100. So that is 100. Okay? And with this 100, I have extra blocks. This is the block of 10 or group of 10. This is the group of 100 and this is the group of 10. So how many 10? Let's count, okay? Okay. How many groups of 10s I have here? Here I have only one group of 100 and here how many group of 10 I have? 1, 2. Two group of 10. That means 2 10s. And with this I have extra block, extra one block. So this belongs to which group? Ones. That means 1, 1. Okay, this is 100, this is 2 tens and 1 block means 1. And on the other hand, I have 1, 2, 3. How many group of 100? One group of 100. In this side I have one group of 100. Okay? And with that I have one group of 10s, right? So here I have one group of 10 and with this I have 2 extra blocks. That is 1, 2. That means 2 ones. So here I have 100, 110 and 2 ones. That is 112 and here I have 100, 2 tens and 1. That is 121. So now what you have to do, you have to look and you have to compare these two numbers and find out which one is greater than another number. Okay, now you have to compare these two numbers. So 121 is bigger number or 112 is bigger number? Which one is bigger number? Bigger means bada. Okay? Bigger means bada and smaller means chota. We all know these things. So among these two numbers, which one is bigger number? Excuse me. 121 is bigger than 112, right? So we have to here what you have to do. Excuse me. You have to find out the greater than and less than. So if I give you the question 121, you have to find out the greater than and less than of these two numbers. After comparing these two numbers, can you tell me which one is greater than which one is bigger number? 121 is bigger than 112, right? So here which sign we have to use? We have to use greater than sign. So which one is greater than which sign is greater than greater than sign, okay? And this one is less than sign, and this one is equals to sign. We have already learned about this greater than, less than, and equals to. Now you have to count these blocks, compare this number with this side numbers. Then you have to find out which one is greater than whom. So 121 is greater than 112. So which side I have to put here? This side. So 121 is greater than 112. So in this way we have to find out. Okay, greater than or less than. If this type of sums will come, first look at these groups. If there is one group of 100, then that means we have 100. If there is two group of tens, that means we have two tens. And if there is one single block, then we have only one in this side. And if there is on that side, if there is one group of 100, then that means we have 100. One group of 10 means 110, and two blocks, separate blocks, that means two ones. In this way, you have to first find out this. Then what you have to do? Then you have to compare these numbers with these numbers. Then if this side is greater than this side, then put the greater than sign. If it is less than, then put the less than sign. And if both the sides are same, then you have to put the equals to sign. Now we will proceed towards exercise 5.6. Okay, so in exercise 5.6, our first question is circle the bigger number. As I already told you that bigger number means bada number. Okay, bigger means bada, and smaller or smallest or small means chota. Okay, big, bigger, biggest, this all are same. So big, bigger or biggest, these are what numbers? Bada number. Okay. So now in this question number 1, what we have to do? Circle the bigger numbers. We have two numbers in each question, and we have to compare both the numbers. Then we have to find out which one is bigger, and after finding out the bigger number, what we have to do? We have to circle the bigger number. Now I will show you some question from your book. Question number 1A. In question number 1A, the question is 168 and 81. So we have two numbers, 168, and on another side we have 81. So what we have to do? We have to find out what bigger number. Among these two numbers, which one is bigger number? So 168 is bigger number or 81 is bigger number? When we count from 1 to 1000, which comes last? 168, right? First 81 will come, then after that 168 will come. So bigger number, and look another thing. Here we have 2 digit, but here we have 3 digit. Same here, 3 digit is bigger than 2 digit. Okay, that means 168 is bigger than 81. So what we have to do? We have to circle this. Now, question number C. 416 and 419. Now, in this question, we have 3-digit number in both the sides. Then we have 4 in 100 place. We have 4 in both the sides. In 10 place, we have 1 in both the sides. And in one place, but in this side we have 6 and in 1 plus in that side we have 9. So which one is bigger? 6 is bigger than 9 or 9 is bigger than 6? Yes, 9 is bigger than 6, right? So that means 419 is bigger than 416. In this way you have to do the question number B. B is your homework, okay? Now turn the page, come to the next question. Now in question number 2, what we have to do? We have to circle the smaller number. Smaller means shorter. Now in same way we will do question number 2. 2A. 884 and 799. So in this question we have two numbers. In this side we have 3-digit number and in this side also we have 3-digit number. So here what we have to look then? We have to look the place value of these numbers. So here in 100 place, this is 100, this is tens and this is ones. In 100 place we have 8 and in this side in 100 place we have 7. So it's very easy. 8 is smaller or 7 is smaller? Yes, 7 is smaller. That means 799 is smaller than 884. Okay? So in this question we have to circle the smaller number. So which number I will circle? Yes, 799. Now question number C. Question is 428 and 452. So this is in this question also we have 3-digit number in both the sides and in 100 place we have 4 in this side and in 100 place we have 4 in this side also. So both are same. Then that means we can't identify which one is bigger. So for that what we have to look, we have to check out the tens place, okay? In tens place, in this side we have 2, but in this side we have 5 in tens place. So from here we can identify that which number is bigger because 2 here we have 2 and here is 5. From this numbers we can identify which one is smaller, right? So here is 2 and here is 5. So which one is smaller? 2 is smaller than 5 or 5 is smaller than 2? Yes, of course. 2 is smaller than 5. That means 428 is smaller than 452. So we have to circle the smaller one, right? So we will circle 428. So in this way you have to do the question number 2B. B is your homework. Now we will do question number 3. In question number 3, the question is write the predecessor of smaller numbers. Now look here, in question number 3A, question is like this: 568 and 543. In this way it is written in your book, right? And there is a box. So what we have to do, we have to write the predecessors of smaller numbers. So we have to first look at these two numbers. Then we have to find out among these two numbers which one is smaller number. Then we have to write the predecessor of the smaller number. Predecessor means before number. So 568 and 543. Which one is smaller number among these two numbers? Yes, 543 is smaller than 568, right? So we have to write the predecessor of 543. So 500 That is question number D. 675 and 766. We have to find out the predecessor of smaller numbers. So among these two numbers, which one is smaller number? Look at the 100 plus. In 100 plus, in this side we have 6, but in 100 plus, in this side we have 7. So which is smaller than, which 6 is smaller than 7 or 7 is smaller than 6? Of course, 6 is smaller than 7, right? That means we have find out the smaller number, that is 675. Now what 675 is the smaller number among these two numbers. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the predecessors of this number, okay, or before number. So what comes before 675? 674. So the answer is 674. Okay, so this is the answer. So in this way, do rest of the question, that is 3B and 3C. This two is your homework. Now we will proceed towards question number 4. Bigger number. Successor means after number. So in the same way we will find out in this question, in previous question, that is question number 3, we have to find out the smaller number, but in question number 4 we have to find out the bigger number. And after finding out the bigger number, then what we have to do, we have to write the successor of that number. Okay, successor means after number. Now let's look at the board. I will show you how we will do this. Now question number 8, 4A. Question is 668 and 643. And there's a blank or box. Now we have to find out bigger number. Among these two numbers, which one is bigger number? 668, 643. First we have to check out the 100 plus. Both have 6 in the 100 plus, then that means we can't find out which one is bigger number. So we will check tens plus. So here we have 6, but here we have 4. So which one is bigger? Which number is bigger number? 6 or 4? Yes, 6 is bigger. That means we have found out the bigger number. So which one is bigger number among these two numbers? 668. 668 is the bigger number. After finding out the bigger number, what we have to do? We have to write down the successor of this bigger number. That is after number. So what comes after 668? 669. That means the answer is 669. Okay? It's very easy, right? Now we will do question number D. Okay, now look here, we have to 3-digit number in both the sides. Now what we have to do, we have to first look at the 100 plus. So in both the sides we have 6 in 100 plus. That means we have to go to the tens plus to check the tens plus. So here we have 7 in tens plus, and here we have 6 in this tens plus, right? So that means 7 is bigger than 6, so 6 is bigger than 7. Yes, 7 is bigger than 6. That means we have got our bigger number. That is 679. 679 is the bigger number. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the successor of this number. That means after number. So 679, which number comes after 679? 680. That is 680. So the answer is 680. Okay. So in this way, do the rest of the question, that is 4B and 4C. This is your homework. Now we will do question number 5. The question is, compare and put the sign greater than, less than or equals to in circle. So there are some number name in both the sides. We have to read the number name and we have to find out the we have to put the greater than sign or less than sign or equals to according to that the question. Okay. So 5A. Question is 449 449 circle, then 459 So among these two numbers 449 and 459, which one is greater than or which one is bigger number, this one or this one? According to that, we have to put the sign of greater than or less than or equals to. Okay. So here we have 449 and here we have 459. So 49 is bigger or 59? 59. So which sign we have to put here? That means 449 is less than to 459. So we have to put the less than sign. Okay. Now question number D. Question is and in this side we have 400 and 59. Okay, so in this side we have which number? 708. 708. And in this side we have which number? 459. So which one is bigger? 708 or 459? Which one is bigger? Yes, 708 is bigger, right? That means 708 is greater than 459. So in this way you have to do rest of the question, that is question number 5B and C. This is your homework. Now we will do ascending and descending order. Now, do you know what is ascending order? Ascending order means ascending order means smallest to biggest, छोटा से बड़ा, okay? And descending order means बड़ा से छोटा. Ascending, the other name of ascending is increasing, and the other name of descending is decreasing. Suppose we all first we are a baby, then we become a child, then after that we came to our another stage, that is teenager, then we become adult, then we become old. In this way we are increasing, right? So like that, there's that is called increasing order or ascending order. And decreasing means, like for example, this is I have drawn some stones or balls like this. Look, this is small, then it's little big, then this is little bigger than this one, and this is the biggest one, right? That means it is increasing. It is increasing, right? So that means this is ascending order. And if I draw like this is a bigger stone, then this is smaller than this one, and this is smaller than this one, and this is the smallest one. So it comes from big to small, and here it comes from small to big. This is ascending or increasing order, and this is descending or decreasing order. Now we will do the sum. Now we do exercise 5.7. Exercise 5.7. Now first question is arrange the given numbers in ascending order. That means we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Okay. So our first question is A1. Question is 167, 401, 236, 721, and there's a dash. So we have to find out the ascending order or increasing order, and we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. So among these four numbers, which is the smallest number? 167, 401, 236, and 721. 167 is the smallest number, right? So put 167 at the first. Then after this 236. Then after this 401. Then after this we have written this one, and this one. Which one is left? This one. That means this is the ascending order. Now question number C. 799, 889, 909, and 989. So as I told you, first check the 100 place, then check the tens place, then check the ones place. Okay? And according to that, you have to arrange these numbers. So among these four numbers, this is the smallest number, so we have to write this one at the first. 799 is the smallest number, so we have written 799 at first. Then after 7, which number comes? 8. 889. Then after this, we have 2 9 in 100 place. Look. So how we will check? We will check the tens place. So here we have 0, but here we have 8. So 0 is smaller than 8. That means this number. This number is smaller than this. So we will write this number first. So 909. Then which number left? 989. So in this way you have to do this sum. Now we will do the question number 1B is your homework. Okay. and 715. Now we have to arrange this in descending order. Bada se chota. Now look, there are 100 plus. Which one is big? Which number is the bigger number? Here is 2, here is 9, here is 1, here is 7. So which one is bigger? 9. That means 951 is the biggest number. So write at the first. Then after 951, which one is the biggest number? 7. 715. After this, 255. Then 135. So in this way you have to arrange this. Now question number C. Question is 106, 721, 983, 352. Arrange it descending or decreasing order. Now check your 100 plus. Which one is the bigger number? Biggest number in this, among this four number? 9, right? So 983 is the biggest number. Write 983 at the first. Then 721. Then 352. And at the last we have 106. So in this way you have to do this type of sums. Now question number 2b is your homework. Now we will proceed towards question number 3. In this question, what we have to do? Check whether the given numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order. Write A for ascending order and D for descending order in the box. So here are some numbers given. We have to find out that they are whether they are arranged in ascending order or increasing order, or they are arranged in descending order or decreasing order. If they are arranged in ascending order, we have to write A in the box, and if it is arranged in descending order, then we have to write D in the box. Okay. Now question number 3. 3a. Question is 530, 451, 351 and 350. Now we have to write, we have to check whether they are arranged in ascending order or descending order. So we have to check the first, we have to check the 100 plus. So here we have 5, 4, 3, 3. That means 5 is the bigger number. After that, after 5, 4, then 3, then 3. That means it is arranged in which descending order? That means we have to write D. Now we will do question number D. Question number, sorry, not D. Question number C. In this question, the question is 568, 658, 685 and 688. Again we have to check whether they are arranged in descending order or ascending order. So for that, first check the 100 place of each number. So here we have 5, here we have 6, here we have 6, here we have 6. So we can't identify because in these three numbers the place value of so we cannot identify because these three numbers have 6 in the 100 place, right? So for that, for identifying which is the smaller number or smaller number or bigger number, what we have to do? We have to check the tens place. Now we have to check the tens place. So here we have 5, it's okay. Then among these three numbers we have to check their tens place. So here we have 5, here we have 8 and here again we have 8. So 5, that means this is the smaller number. Then after this, that means this is here the number is 568, then the number is 658. Then this is bigger, 685, then 688. That means it is arranged in, here we have 5, rest are 6, right? That means it is arranged in what? Arranged in ascending order. Chota se bada. 5 is smaller than 6, right? So that means it is arranged in ascending order. So write here A. Okay? In this way, do rest of the question. That is question number 3, B and D. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Next question, question number 4. Here, what you have to do, arrange the following in ascending and descending order. Here, in the question, number names are written. You have to arrange them in ascending or descending order. Okay. Now you have to arrange this number name according to ascending order and descending order. Okay. So here the question is 909. 909. That means 909. 919. That means 919 and 900. So you have to arrange this number name according to ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Chota se bada. Now here which one is the smaller number among these 3 numbers? 900 is the smaller number. So you have to write here 900. Then after 900, which one is the smaller number among these 2 numbers? 909 is the smaller number. So write 900. Then you have to write this name 900 and 9. Then which one left? 990. 900 and 19. So in this way you have to do this ascending. Okay. Now descending. Bada se chota. Now among these 3 numbers, which one is the bigger number? 990. So we will write the number name of 919 at the first. 900. Then after 919, 909. 900 and 9, and the last one 900. 900. Okay. So in this way, do this sum. Your homework is question number 4B. Now we will go to the last topic. Okay, now here the next topic is making numbers with given digits. Suppose there are 3 numbers. You have to make with the help of these 3 numbers you can make different numbers. Okay, like first I will take 2. So with these numbers I can make 234, then 243. Okay, I can make 2 numbers, right? With the help of this 2. Then with this 3 I can make another 2 numbers. If I take 3 at the first, then I will take this 2, then 4, 324, then 342. In this way, you can make 2 different numbers with the help of these numbers. Okay. So 4. First I have to take 4 at the first, then I will take 3, then I will take 2. So it becomes 432. Then another one. First I have taken 4, then I will take 2, then 3. Then it becomes 423. So in this way, you can make different numbers with the help of this given digits. Okay. So from here, I have to find out. Now from here we have to find out the greatest number. Like 234, 243, then 324, 342, 432, 423. Now I have to find out the greatest number. Greatest means bada. Now look here, the place of each digit 100. The place of 100 of each digit. Here we have 2. Here also we have 2. Here we have 3, 4, 4. So that means all the numbers are same. So check the tens place. Here we have 3, 4. Then among these two numbers, which one is the greater number? Here we have 3. Here we have 4. This one. So among all these numbers, in this way you can find out all the numbers. Okay. So among these all numbers, which one is the greater number? 234, 243, 324, 342, 423, 423. So among these all numbers, the greatest number is 432. This is the greatest number. And among these numbers, which one is the smallest number? Among these numbers, 234 is the smallest number. Okay. So in this way, you can find out the smallest and the greatest number. First, with the help of some digits, we can make different numbers. Then, with the help of the places of 100, tens and ones, we can find out the smallest and the greatest among those numbers. Okay. Now we will do exercise 5.8. Here the question is number 1. Form 3-digit numbers with a given digit and arrange them in ascending and descending order. So first we have 3-digit number, 3 digits, given digits, and with the help of these 3 digits we have to make 3-digit number. Then we have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, now look here, we have 3 digits, 8, 2 and 9. With the help of these 3 digits we will make different numbers. Okay, so first I will take 8, then 2, then 9, then again 8, 9, 2. Then I will go to 2. Then first I have written 2, then 8, then 9, then again I have written 2. So then after 2, 9, then 8. Then I will go to 9. So I have written 9 first, then 2, then 8. Again I have written 9 at the first, then 8, then 2. In this way we can form different numbers. Now we have to arrange this in ascending order and descending order. Ascending means छोटा सा बड़ा. Now look here, which one is smaller number? Among these numbers, 289 is the smaller number. Then 298. Then 829. Then 898. 892. Then 928. And the last one is 982. Now we have to do the descending one. Bigger number among these numbers, which one is the biggest number? 982. Then 928. After that 892. Then 829. Then 298. And the last one is 289. So in this way you have to do this kind of sums. So question number B is your homework. Now the last part, that is question number 2. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits and represent those numbers on the given abacus. So there are 2 abacus. You have to put the digits and find out the greater number and the smallest number. Okay. Okay, now look here. We have in question number A, we have 3 digits, 4, 5 and 2. First, we have to put these digits in this abacus in greatest number. Okay. So among these 3 digits, which one is the greatest? Which one is the bigger number? 5. So write here 5. Then after this, which one is the bigger number? 4. So write here 4. Then 2. Now after putting this in according to the greatest number, what we have to do? We have to make bits in this. Okay, according to this number. So we have in 100 we have 5. So we have to draw 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens place we have 2. So put 2 in 100 plus. After 2, 4. 4 in tens place and 5 in ones place. Now we have to arrange the bits and draw the bits in this 100 tens and ones place. So here we have 2 in 100 place. So we have to draw 2 bits. 4 in tens place. So we have to draw 4 bits in tens place. And 5 in ones place. So we have to draw 5 bits in ones place. Okay, so it's very easy. In this way, you have to do rest of the sums. That is question number 2, B, C and D. These 3 sums. Okay, thank you.